Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to move your phone photos to a USB drive, and this is really easy to do. So I have my Android phone, my Motorola phone right here, and I have this little OTG adapter that I got with my Samsung S9 back in the day. But you can pick the new ones up from like Amazon for $5 or Walmart for like maybe $20. But this will take a USB and then turn it into USB-C, so we plug this actually into our phone. So once we have this plugged in, what we want to do is just go to the home screen here and then swipe up, and we want to search for an app called Files. F-I-L-E, here's Files. Now we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom, so go back if you're under a different page. Go all the way down to the bottom. You can see your USB drive right here. If you don't have everything available under it, you can go into it and just delete everything. So you have the option to select an item under here by holding down it and go to delete. Otherwise, we can go to the internal storage here to start transferring. Locate your files or folders that you want to transfer. Now, if you're looking for something like your camera gallery or something, it's going to be under the DCIM folder, which I already transferred. But you can have something called like pictures too. You can just hold down on the entire folder, go to the three dots, and go to Move to USB 3.0. Here's my USB. And then I'm going to put these under my DCIM folder once again. I already got camera in here. So I'm going to go to Move, and it looks like I got maybe a few photos in there. And then it should be done transferring now very shortly, and you might see like a little light show up on your USB device indicating it's transferring. It's red. Now it is complete. We can go into the DCIM folder wherever it is, and then let's go back, go to USB. We can just verify everything is under here, and then I have pictures. Looks like nothing's in there that is visible. We can go to DCIM, same thing, camera. I already transferred everything off of here, but very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.